Welcome to the zoo. This is the zoo.
This is a tiger. It is strong.
Wait, I will get it.
Be careful.
Oh no, my teddy bear! My teddy bear is on the ground.
This is a sheep. It is soft.
I have the teddy bear.
Thank you, Anna.
Look at the animals. The zoo is big.
We are together. We are safe.
We want 4 tickets, please.
How old are the children?
These are kangaroos. They are funny.
This is a hippopotamus. It is big. It is dangerous.
I am sorry, Dad.
This is a bear. It is strong.
This is a giraffe. It is tall.
This is a zebra. It is black and white.
This is a rabbit. It is cute. This is a crocodile. It is dangerous. These are birds. They can fly. This is a kangaroo. It can jump.
This is a hippo. It is big.
Where are the children?
Anna!